Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, welcome. Now today's DIY video is 5 glam high-end DIYs using diamond rhinestone, mirror mosaic tiles, Totally Dazzled brooches. Now if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Please don't forget though to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification. Let's get this DIY project started. DIY number 1 is this oversized vase. We're going to revamp it. I'm taking this vase and my Rust-Oleum 2 times the coverage gloss purple spray paint. We're going to paint this vase, you guys, and we're finna to totally jazz up this DIY. Again, family, if you're watching, you haven't subscribed to Glam Queen of DIY, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Now we're back and look at this vase. This vase is gorgeous purple. I'm going to be taking my diamond rhinestone adhesive strips, and these actually came from Bead Park. I'm going to drop Bead Park's information down in my description. They are sponsoring this portion of the video, but we're going to take these Bead Park strips and dress up this vase. To everyone, thank you so very much for still showing my videos love and support. I've been under the weather, having to take care of some medical stuff for the last 2 months, and your girl is getting back on her regular scheduled program, so you will be seeing content again on the Glam Queen of DIY starting starting December the 31st. You actually got one more DIY video coming after this one. Then December the 31st is a large compilation video, but January the 1st we're gonna rock it out. So thank you so very much for your support, and please make sure you come back so I can give you some 2022 DIY inspiration. Just lining both sides of this vase with this beadpark.com diamond rhinestone adhesive. This is what it looks like with that diamond rhinestone on both sides of the vase, and we're not through jazzing it up yet. I am going to layer a strip down the front and the back of the vase as well. And to you guys, you see my strips of my mirrored mosaic tile. This mirrored mosaic tile is actually from bbcraft.com. They are sponsoring this portion of the video. I'm going to drop the link for this and BB Crafts information down in my description box. All my affiliate links for items that I am using in this video will be down in the description box. Please don't forget, I always check that description box because it is some very important information down in the description. I'm also adding a Totally Dazzled brooch to the top portion of this vase. I'm going to link the brooch, Totally Dazzled, information in the description. Now, click on my links to receive a small discount. It doesn't cost you extra. I just receive a small commission when you do click on my links. So we're jazzing this vase up with this Totally Dazzled brooch. Drop me a comment too, guys, if you're loving this vase and if this is something you are trying to revamp. Please stay tuned. 2022, we're bringing back my Face Off series along with my Music Legend DIY series as well, and my 50 Shades of Blue. I hope to see you and to give you some great inspiration. In order to see any of these DIYs, you got to check out the Glam Queen of Decor. Now for DIY number 2, we're going to paint these vases, and we're going to be using that white, gloss white Rust-Oleum 2x coverage spray paint as well, but we're going to paint these vases. Now that I have my vases painted, you guys, I was going to add some pieces on these round circles of this vase, but after painting it, I'm not doing anything else to these vases. They are so gorgeous. So this DIY number 2 revamp will only be me adding spray paint to them. Make sure you check out Glam Queen of Decor to see these styled in my home for Christmas 2021. Now DIY number 3, we're taking these smaller vases and we're going to paint them as well, and we're going to be adding some Totally Dazzled brooches to them, and we're still using that Rust-Oleum 2x coverage gloss white spray paint. Once again, family, check out my home tour, my Christmas home tour on the Glam Queen of Decor. That will be coming tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please make sure you check it out, and you'll see these items styled then in my home. That I've added the brooches and got them glued down, you guys. That concludes this DIY number 3. I hope you have enjoyed these DIYs. Drop me a comment which one was your favorite. And once again, please make sure you check out all of our channels: the Glam Queen of DIY, the Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, and Glam Queen Vlogs. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.